Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together in an in-depth guide on using Chat GPT to master any skill you desire. Skill acquisition is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is about transforming that knowledge into practical abilities. Chat GPT is your secret weapon to unlock the full potential of your learning journey. By the end of this comprehensive video, you'll be equipped with advanced strategies to harness the power of ChatGPT for skill mastery. In our previous discussions, we explored the fundamentals of using ChatGPT as your mentor, accountability partner, summarizer, and testing tool. Now, let's delve into the advanced techniques that can make your skill acquisition journey even more effective and enjoyable. To truly master a skill, you need to face real-world challenges. ChatGPT can help you simulate these challenges and provide guidance when you encounter difficulties. For instance, if you are a writer, you can share your drafts with ChatGPT and ask for constructive feedback. It can provide suggestions for improving your writing style, grammar, and even offer tips on how to captivate your audience better. Sometimes, you might want to specialize in a niche within your chosen skill. ChatGPT can help you access niche expertise that might be challenging to find elsewhere. If you're a budding chef, for instance, you can ask ChatGPT to connect you with culinary experts who specialize in a particular cuisine like Japanese sushi. They can provide you with insider tips, unique recipes, and guidance that you won't find in general cooking guides. The most innovative solutions often come from combining knowledge from different domains. ChatGPT can help you explore cross-disciplinary learning to gain a broader perspective on your chosen skill. Let us say you are a graphic designer interested in improving your user interface UI design skills. You can ask ChatGPT to provide insights from psychology experts on user behavior. By understanding the psychology behind user interactions, you can create more effective and user-friendly designs. Case studies offer valuable real-world examples that can deepen your understanding of a skill. ChatGPT can assist you in finding and analyzing relevant case studies. If you are studying marketing, for example, you can ask ChatGPT to provide you with case studies of successful marketing campaigns. You can then analyze these campaigns, identify the strategies that work, and apply these insights to your marketing efforts. Skill mastery often involves making ethical decisions. ChatGPT can help you navigate ethical dilemmas related to your skill and make informed choices. If you are a digital artist looking to sell your artwork online, you can ask ChatGPT to help you create a business plan. It can provide insights into pricing, marketing, and platforms to consider, enabling you to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Skills, especially in rapidly evolving fields, require you to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. ChatGPT can be your source for real-time information. Learning doesn't have to be a solitary journey. ChatGPT can help you create and manage learning communities or study groups. If you're a fitness enthusiast experiencing a plateau in your workout progress, ChatGPT can suggest alternative workout routines, nutritional advice, or mindfulness techniques to reinvigorate your journey. Documenting your skill development journey can be incredibly insightful. ChatGPT can help you maintain detailed records and analyze your progress. For instance, if you are learning a musical instrument, you can create a journal with ChatGPT where you record your daily practice sessions, note your challenges, and reflect on your improvements. Over time, this journal becomes a valuable resource for tracking your growth. Skill acquisition can be mentally demanding. ChatGPT can provide guidance on mindfulness and mental resilience techniques to keep you focused and resilient. If you are a student preparing for challenging exams, ChatGPT can introduce you to mindfulness exercise and stress management techniques that enhance your ability to learn effectively under pressure. Visualization is a powerful tool for skill development. ChatGPT can guide you through visualization exercises tailored to your skill. Suppose you are a public speaker looking to improve your stage presence. ChatGPT can walk you through a visualization exercise where You mentally rehearse successful speeches, boosting your confidence and performance. Mastery is the ultimate goal of skill development. Chat GPT can help you create a roadmap to achieve mastery in your chosen skill. If you are an inspiring chess grandmaster, Chat GPT can assist you in creating a comprehensive plan that includes studying classic games, practicing specific openings, and even connecting you with the chess experts for guidance. One of the most significant advantages of using ChatGPT is personalization. You can tailor your learning experience to match your unique preferences and goals. Whether you want to focus on speed, depth, or breadth in your skill development, ChatGPT can adapt to your needs. You can ask it to provide you with resources, exercises, and challenges that align with your learning style. Failure is an inherent part of skill development. ChatGPT can offer guidance on how to learn from failures and develop resilience. If you're an entrepreneur facing setbacks in your business ventures, ChatGPT can share stories of successful entrepreneurs who encountered failures on their journey to success. You can draw inspiration from these stories and learn valuable lessons. Skill challenges can push you to new heights. ChatGPT can help you design skill challenges that align with your goals. As you advance in your skill journey, consider becoming a mentor to others. ChatGPT can guide you on how to provide mentorship effectively. Suppose you are a seasoned photographer. You can ask ChatGPT to help you create online photography courses or workshops to mentor aspiring photographers. This not only benefits others, but also solidifies your own mastery of the skill. To gain recognition for your skills, certifications can be invaluable. ChatGPT can suggest prestigious certification programs and help you prepare for them. If you are aiming to become a certified project manager, ChatGPT can provide you with a study plan, recommend study materials, and even quiz you on project management concepts to ensure you are well prepared for the certification exam. Harness the power of data to optimize your learning process. ChatGPT can help you set up data-driven learning methods. If you are a language learner, you can ask ChatGPT to track and analyze your language practice sessions. It can provide insights into your progress, areas that need improvement, and recommend personalized language exercises to accelerate your learning. Cultivating a growth mindset is essential for skill development. ChatGPT can provide daily affirmations and motivational quotes to keep you in the right mindset. If you are a student preparing for exams, you can request daily motivational messages from ChatGPT to stay focused and positive throughout your study journey. To become a true expert, explore the edges of your skill and venture into uncharted territory. ChatGPT can help you identify advanced areas to explore. If you are a scientist specializing in a particular field, ChatGPT can introduce you to cutting-edge research papers and experiments that push the boundaries of your expertise. This keeps your knowledge at the forefront of your field. As you continue your learning journey, you might want to balance multiple skills. ChatGPT can assist you in creating a well-structured plan to manage your time effectively. For instance, if you are a budding entrepreneur who also wants to improve your public speaking skills, ChatGPT can help you create a weekly schedule that allocates dedicated time to both endeavors, ensuring steady progress in both areas. In a professional setting, challenges are inevitable. ChatGPT can offer strategies for handling workplace challenges effectively. If you are a manager dealing with team conflicts, ChatGPT can provide conflict resolution techniques and strategies for fostering a harmonious work environment. Throughout history, legendary masters have left behind their wisdom. ChatGPT can connect you with their teachings to inspire and guide your skill development journey. If you are an inspiring musician, ChatGPT can introduce you to the works of classical composers and the lessons they impart through their music. Studying their compositions can elevate your musical skills. Consider how you can leave a lasting impact through your skills. ChatGPT can help you strategize ways to build a meaningful legacy. If you're an environmentalist, ChatGPT can guide you in developing initiatives that address pressing environmental issues. your contributions can create a positive and lasting impact on the world. Remember that skill development is a lifelong journey. Embrace the ups and downs, celebrate your achievements, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. If you ever feel discouraged, Chat GPT can provide motivational stories of individuals who overcame tremendous odds to achieve greatness in their respective fields. Their stories can serve as a reminder that persistence pays off. Thank you for joining me on this extensive exploration of using ChatGPT to master any skill. The possibilities are limitless when you harness the power of this AI assistant. Remember, skill development is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is about transforming that knowledge into real-world abilities. By implementing these advanced techniques, you can embark on a journey of continuous growth, achievement, and fulfillment. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow learners and skill enthusiasts. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep excelling in your chosen skill. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.